Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, uh, okay, remember, so today what we're going to do is Sierpinski Gasket using L system. Do you remember we drew Sierpinski Gasket using just simple recursion? Yeah, it was like this. Lesson 128, so what 126, so it was like this. Okay, we used recursively call the function triangle to draw Sierpinski gasket, which was like this: 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we increase the levels, we can see that recursive triangular shape appears. So today we will draw using we try to draw the same thing using L system, Lindenmayer system. Okay, let's try that. So to do that, let's open one example of Lindenmayer system. For example, like Hilbert curve, okay, which we drew several lessons back. Okay, we will start uh, from this code. So we will okay, just save as 135, was it? 130, today's, yeah, it was like this. So 130, 135, EL 135, Sierpinski L system. Okay, like that. So basically, it's the same. We don't use color today. So maybe basically the L system interpretation part is the same. And drawing part, just like we saw, it's the same. So we will be using the two drawing commands, A and B, for triangular patterns. So it will be like this. There are two rules. A goes to this and B goes to this. Okay? So simply we use A, starting A. We will copy A goes to, it's very much simpler than this. A goes to A minus B plus A plus B minus A. Good. Then the next, B goes to, as it says, BB. Ah, very simple. Okay, so um, just B goes to BB. Very simple, right? And the starting axiom is A minus B minus B. There's some strange thing. So here we use A minus B minus B. Good. Then, okay. So there's no um, F thing. So we will just use A and B for drawing. Okay. So we will change the drawing part as instead of just F, we will use if seeing F, A, or B, we will draw forward. Plus is the same and minus is the same. Okay, so that's all. And the turning angle is 120 degrees. So, okay. So let's anyway see what it looks like. We don't use the coloring, or it is okay. So we will just use d equals, say, 0 and say what it looks like. Okay, we draw everything. We don't need anything here. We just draw, we just remove everything. And it's very simple. D equals 0 and compute else's, put into res, check its contents, and res equals, say, maybe a little longer. Okay. Uh, let's see, 120, 150. And angle is, as I said, 120. We don't need the color. And is it good? Okay. It seems the okay, strange. Let's change it to 1. Anyway, we drew a regular triangle, okay? Oh, good. So it seems it's fine, but the problem is it's upside down. So instead of 120, let's use minus negative 120 and see how it looks like. Good. It's really good. Good starting point. So d equal 2. Good. So we can do it. From here, maybe we can try d in range, say, 5, and do everything one by one, increasing d up to, say, 5 or 6. As we did here, we use time dot sleep 1 second, and be sure to include time. We always need to go to 0, okay? So here, before drawing, t go to, say, minus 100, 0. Before that, of course, yeah, I think we need it like this instead of this. So here, before this, we need t clear. That's it. 0, 1, 2, 3. Good. It's growing. So maybe the magnitude should be, instead of 1.6, we need to change to 2. Good. Now we can say this is Sierpinski gasket. We need 200 minus 200. So very simple, right? Only one init, two rules, and the same draw. Change 200. Yes, this is what we want. Sierpinski gasket. Very good. So I hope you like this. We have shown that using very simple rules, we can draw Sierpinski gasket. Next time, we will see another way to draw Sierpinski gasket. Okay, be sure to come back. Bye bye.